Aloha gang, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over distribution in 2020 and why being able to upload fast and without a lot of red tape is going to give you a competitive edge. In today's high-speed, on-demand music consuming world, you need to be able to drop new music on a consistent basis. I'm going to show you some really cool tools available to you today thanks to DistroKid that you can start using to make money off those songs that are just sitting on your hard drive. Songs you've already made just sitting there, collecting digital dust. With all the weird stuff going on in the world, you need to be using your songs to create that sweet passive income. Question of the day, guys. When was your last release? If it was longer than 12 weeks ago, stick around to the end because I'm going to show you a powerful scheduling hack to stay relevant and constantly releasing. So what is distribution?
Hey, I just got a new single out! How's the new single, man? You want one?
Hey mom, I just came out with my new single.
Oh, that's great, honey. I'll let all of your cousins know.
Hold on, I'm almost in. Give me a second, man. Woo! Where are we at?
We just hit 1 million.
Yes, got him. All right, enough of that. Distribution is basically what gets your song into all the streaming platforms. Let's take a look at some amazing tools available to indie artists to get your music on every platform quickly and easily. This is gonna leave you way more time to promote. You don't wanna have to worry about when your music is gonna hit the streaming platforms. I wanna know what distribution platform are you guys using currently, if any. Let me know down below in the comments. Here's a brief rundown of DistroKid's prices. The musician tier is only $19.99 per year. This allows one artist or band to distribute an unlimited amount of music for a year. Plus, you're gonna get unlimited lyric distribution, and it gives one artist or band access to Spotify's verification platform. Plus, you're gonna keep 100% of the revenue. Tier 2 is Musician Plus. This is only $35.99 per year. It allows two artists or bands to distribute an unlimited amount of music for a year. Unlimited lyric distribution gives two artists or bands access to Spotify's artist verification platform, syncs lyrics for Instagram, daily sales stats, customizable label name, customizable release date, customizable pre-order date, customizable iTunes pricing, plus you're gonna keep 100% of the revenue. For the big dogs out there, there's a label tier. It's only $79.99 per year. This allows you 5 to 100 artists or bands to distribute an unlimited amount of music for a year. Unlimited lyric distribution gives two artists or bands access to Spotify's artist verification platform. Plus, you're gonna keep 100% of the revenues. I wanna hook you guys up for watching. I have a special code. You're gonna get 7% off of your first year's membership on any of the tiers. Just use that link in the description box down below. So just to really quick break down the 3 tiers, if you're just starting out, the musician tier is gonna be fine for you. If you're more serious about your career, you're gonna wanna bump up to that Musician Plus. This allows you to customize your release date, which gives you a little bit of lead time to get on those playlists. Of course, if you're doing huge things and you got your own label, then bump up to that label tier. If you're working with that many artists, this is gonna pay for itself really quick. I wanna show you guys exactly how fast it is to upload your songs. Put the clock on the board, Johnny. All right, here we go. Start the clock. Okay, when you first sign up, you're gonna end up on this page. Hi, you're new around here. Click to upload music. Let's do that. Okay, let's see. Where do we want to send our music? We got Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, TikTok and Rezo, Google Play, YouTube Music, Amazon, Pandora, Deezer, Tidal, Napster, iHeartRadio, Claro Musica, Savan, never heard of you, Angami, never heard of you, KKBox, NetEase, never heard of you, TouchTunes, Media Plus, so many. It's gonna be all around the world. Okay, we're gonna do a single. Previously recorded, no. Aloha Alex is my artist name. Already on Spotify? No. Already on Apple Music? Waiting for their servers. They say no. Okay. Release date. Now, if you guys are just going to do the musician tier, you're not going to get this little area right here where you can pick your release date. Normally, I would pick about a week or so I can start submitting to playlists and stuff, but I'm going to just act as if we just have the musician tier and we're going to do the release date for today. Pre-order, you're not going to get that as well. Record label, Magic Island, Mon. Okay. Let me choose my cover. If you guys want a free place to make a cover, if you don't have Photoshop or anything, you can go to canva.com. It's free. Not affiliated, just hooking you guys up. Okay, select genre. We're gonna go hip hop, select secondary genre. No, because it's just basically trap music. Okay, song title is Heat Wave. So you guys, it gives you plenty of explanation down here. If you're gonna have a featured artist, you just put that in this part right here. If it's gonna be a part or volume, you put that right there. Instrumental, parentheses, instrumental. I'm just gonna put the song name because, yeah, whatever. You can have multiple parentheses, cover songs. If it's a cover, remix, or mashup, do not include the original artist here. Just put the song name. Capitalization. Don't be weird. Just, you don't have to be all Billie Eilish about it. Just make it normal. No years to date, no producers. Okay, fine. No, okay. Then we're gonna choose our file. I'm gonna use a wave file. Heat Wave. I wrote this song. This is just music. So Alex, Barnett, M. Explicit lyrics, no. Instrumental, yes. Preview. Well, I'll just leave it right here. I'll let the streaming services decide, but that's pretty cool. Track price. Again, if you just have your musician tier, you're not going to be able to choose the track price, but I'll just leave it at 99 as well. Extra options. So you're going to be billed for this. Add this single into Instagram's music source. We don't necessarily need to do that. Just take a look at these. You can research these later, and it's sort of a la carte stuff. So see what you need. But I'm all about just put out as much music as you can, especially right now. People are consuming like crazy. I'm already on three and a half minutes. So okay, check this out down here. I selected YouTube Music as a store, so I won't email DistroKid later asking, why'd you upload my music to YouTube? Okay, so I want to upload my own music to YouTube, so I'm gonna take that off of the Google Play Store and the YouTube Music. I recorded this music. I'm authorized to sell it with all the royalties. I'm not using any other artist's name without their approval. I've read the terms and agreement. Of course I did. I always do, you know? Verifying album artwork. Where are we at? We're only at 4 minutes right now. We're going to be under 5 minutes. Track 1, uploading. Oh my God. Oh my God. God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's going so fast. It's going so fast. Oh! It's that easy, you guys, but stick around a little bit longer because I'm going to show you in just a minute on how to leverage this super speed to stay in your followers' feeds, hack the algorithm just by adjusting your release schedule. Right now, I want to talk a little bit about my favorite features of DistroKid. Okay, so the first one is cover songs. As a starting artist or an emerging artist or an up-and-coming artist, cover songs are a great way to leverage your talent and other people's songwriting abilities. Now, with my band Aloha Radio, we tried to do this on our own and contact the licensing group Harry Fox Agency, and we ended up spending about $100 in order to cover Bob Marley's Sun is Shining. And this was just to pay for streaming rights and a little bit of distribution. What's really cool about DistroKid is you can do all of that, and then we'll get the licensing on your behalf for only $12 a month. That is a huge amount of savings. Plus, if you're good at keyword research and seeing what's hot, you can look up really popular cover songs to try and gain some momentum and get some exposure to your channel or just your artist page. I want to show you really quick how to do it. Let's jump back onto the website. Now I'm back in this upload section, and if you come down here to the part where it says songwriter and you go and click another artist wrote it, it's going to pull down this little drop down menu and show you exactly how they're going to get it. They're going to go through the Harry Fox Agency, but you're not going to pay $100 like my band did. They're gonna do all of it for you, and you're only gonna pay $12. So you just pop in the original artist and then the song, and it's that simple. Cover songs are super hot right now, especially when big licensing agencies that work for TV or film don't want to pay the prices to use the original song, so they look for other indie artists that are creating cover songs to fill those slots. Or you can do the usual YouTube, and if your song starts picking up traction, information, you can go ahead and put that on your Spotify, start building up the Spotify streams, and you collect all that revenue. The second feature that's my absolute favorite is the speed. Not only the speed that it takes to go through and fill out all your information to get your song ready to upload, but the speed in which DistroKid takes it from that page that I showed you to actually on the streaming platforms. According to the advice for artists posted on DistroKid's website, give stores up to about a week to push your album live. iTunes, Apple Music often happens faster, sometimes same day, but not always. For Spotify, new deliveries will take at least 5 days to go live. I've used other services and it's taken up to 6 weeks to get onto Spotify. When you're working on a rollout, this can be a huge pain. We didn't know if it was going to be live on week 4, week 5, week 6. And knowing that DistroKid is going to get to those streaming platforms in a timely manner, that is a huge weight lifted off my shoulders. Again, if you guys are more serious about your career, make sure you guys are getting on that second tier so you can choose a few weeks out when your track is actually going to go live. That way you can submit to the playlist and the blogs and other PR platforms. In a world moving at the speed of light, you don't want to be that artist waiting years in between each release. Here's a really quick hack to keep you releasing constantly. Let's say you have enough songs for an EP, so 5 songs. Instead of just dropping all 5 songs, break it up. So song 1, release, promote for 8 to 6 weeks. You're gonna drop a lyric video, an official video, a live performance video, a vertical video, lyric breakdown, production breakdown. Then as you're wrapping up that cycle, you're getting ready to release song number 2, promote for 8 to 6 weeks again. In this time, you're gonna start writing for the next 5 songs, plus you're gonna drop those same lyric video, official video, live performance video, vertical video, lyric breakdown, production breakdown. Then you're ready for song number 3. Promote that for 6 to 8 weeks. Then when you're ready to drop song 4 and 5, drop the whole EP and promote that for 8 to 10 weeks. Do the same thing. Lyric video, official video, live performance video, vertical video, lyric breakdown, production breakdown, maybe do some remixes, an acoustic performance. Then you're ready to start the cycle all over again. Do you see the power behind this? You're in people's feeds every week. You're gonna start building momentum and tapping into the algorithm because you're constantly releasing, which is why you need a distribution company that is easy and fast to get your songs up and running with no lag time. Now all you have to do is work on your songwriting. There are 3 main elements to a catchy hit song. If you guys wanna grow your skills as a songwriter, I want you to click on this video right now. Come on in, the water's warm. I'll see you guys on the next one. Aloha.